You say pink? You say red? Okay. I couldn't hear her.
She said pink.
Did she say pink? That's what I thought. That's why I asked again. But did you say red? Red?
Yeah, red's time. It's red now! How long have you been doing this?
It will be an amazing 10 years in March.
Wow, congratulations. That's awesome. Do you enjoy it?
Congratulations on your weird career.
Well, hopefully you have fun.
No,
you know?
I do.
You're surrounded
Absolutely.
by
Of course. How could I not?
crazy little kids almost every day. How'd you get into it?
What are you doing down there?
Many years ago, another face painter asked me to work for her, and I worked for someone else for a little while.
Yeah.
But our styles were kind of different, so I had to quit.
Yeah. You didn't see eye to eye.
She's incredible.
The next person is
It's just I like to have a lot of stuff, and
Sure. She was more simple.
yeah, she's very streamlined.
Gotcha.
Hey, Cookie. Little friend, so pretty.
Good job, Saoirse. You're doing great.
So pretty.
What a good girl. What a good girl. Should we sparkle? Can you close your eyes? Here, I'll close them for you. Good girl. What a good girl. What a good girl. Wow, it's Minnie Mouse.
Good job, honey.